Hey, it's Kevin here, the founder of Spreadify Marketing, and today we're diving headfirst into the art of creating Facebook ads that don't just attract clicks, but also open the gates to a flood of conversions. Now, creating Facebook ads might seem like a maze of choices and strategies, but don't worry, we've got your back. By the end of this video, you'll have the insider's guide on crafting ads that don't just make noise, but strike a chord with your target audience, nudging them to take that desirable action. So buckle up and get ready to transform your Facebook ads from mere placeholders to game-changing, revenue-generating powerhouses. Let's kick things off with the fundamental building blocks of high-converting Facebook ads. Ready? Let's do this. ROI has always been a trending topic in digital marketing. So let's take a closer look at the other elusive but all-important metric in the world of Facebook ads, ROAS, or return on ad spend. In an ever-expanding digital marketplace, it has become imperative for organizations to maximize the effectiveness of their ad spending, and platforms like Facebook are often at the center of these efforts. However, defining an ideal ROAS remains a head-scratcher for most people, primarily due to its dynamic and fluctuating nature. A good ROAS for Facebook ads is typically considered to be at least 4-to-1 or higher. What this means is that for every $1 invested in ads, your business should expect to generate $4 in revenue. This figure is the yardstick for determining whether your advertising efforts are yielding a positive return on investment. That said, it's important to note that the ideal ROAS can vary significantly depending on a multitude of factors, such as your industry, your specific advertising goals, your profit margins, and also your unique characteristics for each campaign that you put out there. All of these aspects really play a crucial role in determining what constitutes a good ROAS for your business. So the big question now is, how do you actually create Facebook ads that boost your ROAS and skyrocket your overall return on investment? So let's get into a step-by-step guide to creating high-converting ads. All right, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of creating ads that will skyrocket your return on investment. We've compiled a comprehensive guide to help you sail through the process. Remember, these techniques are the result of extensive research and practical experience, so pay close attention. 1. Get to know your audience. Understanding your audience is the foundation upon which any successful advertising venture or marketing campaign is built on. It's not just about knowing your audience, it's about knowing them intimately, as if they were your best friend. This profound understanding is a pivotal step in optimizing your Facebook conversions. It's like having the keys to a treasure chest of opportunities to boost your advertising effectiveness and in turn your return on ad spend. The process starts by getting inside the heads and hearts of your audience. You need to delve deep into their world, comprehending their needs, wants, desires, and the challenges they grapple with on a day-to-day basis. This knowledge is your arsenal, your toolkit for crafting ads that resonate on a personal level. But why exactly is this so crucial? Well, think about it. If you can pinpoint the exact problem that your audience faces, which means that you're in a prime position to tailor your ads as the solution that they have been seeking. You're not just showcasing your products or services, you're offering answers to their pain points. This level of connection is what ignites the spark of interest and ultimately conversion. By addressing your audience's needs directly, you make your advertising not just appealing, but genuinely effective, significantly boosting your return on ad spend. So how do you embark on this journey of audience understanding? So let's get into some actionable steps to help you conquer this challenge. Leverage Facebook's Audience Insights tool. This is a goldmine of information that Facebook provides to help you better understand your audience. It offers detailed demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. It's basically like having a crystal ball that reveals the preferences and habits of your potential customers. Direct audience engagement. Take your relationship with your audience to the next level. Consider conducting surveys or hosting Q&A sessions. These interactions provide first-hand feedback and insights directly from your audience. Monitoring and feedback. Keep an eye on comments and messages across all of your social media platforms regularly. These are often treasure troves of valuable data that you don't want to miss. You'll discover recurring questions, concerns, and sentiments that your audience expresses. So in essence, the more you delve into the minds of your audience, the better you can tailor your ads to meet their needs. Quit telling your audience to buy your products, and instead of doing that, tell them why they should pick your product over every other product available on the market. It's a personalized approach that transforms your advertising from generic to profoundly resonant. This level of connection is what enhances the effectiveness of your campaigns and in turn supercharges your conversions. 2. Crafting engaging ads. Creating engaging and impactful Facebook ads in today's digital jungle is an art, and mastering it is crucial to your advertising's success. The challenge is that your audience is bombarded with a ton of ads every single day. And you probably are too. They could be from your competitors or even that charming bakery down the street, tempting you to buy their freshly baked cookies. The harsh reality is that you only have a few seconds to capture their attention, maybe 5 to 10 seconds at best. So within this tiny window, your ad needs to be scroll stopping, catchy, and pretty much connect with your viewers instantly. So to achieve that, you need to deliver a clear message and most importantly, ignite their interest in your brand, product, or service. So how do you make your ads creative, compelling, and engaging? Here's the breakdown. 1. Choose the right media. Facebook is a visual playground, and you should take full advantage of this. Your attention-grabbing videos and eye-catching images should entice your audience. And visuals have the power to actually stop the endless scroll, as we all know it, and make your audience pause to see what you actually have to offer. 2. Craft a captivating copy. Words are your ammunition. Craft a copy that connects with your audience emotionally and conveys your message effectively at the same time. Authentic storytelling, impressive statistics, and testimonials all play a role in building trustworthiness and credibility, making your audience more likely to take action. 3. Use CTAs. The call to action, CTA, is your guiding star. Facebook offers a variety of call to action options, so choose the one that perfectly aligns with your ad's campaign goal and objective. It's essential to ensure that your CTA aligns with the message you're trying to convey. 4. Optimal ad formatting and placement. With the right media, a compelling copy, and an effective CTA, your ads are almost ready to go, but they need to be in the right place at the right time. So correct ad formatting and placement are crucial for ensuring your ads reach their maximum engagement potential, yielding the best possible results and return on ad spend. The design, messaging, format, and placement of your Facebook ads are interconnected elements that together determine the success of your marketing campaigns. When these aspects are finely tuned and optimized, your ads are poised for maximum impact, ensuring they not only capture attention, but also drive conversions. However, it's worth noting that if you lack in-house design expertise, outsourcing this task to a digital marketing agency is a strategic move. While you might initially consider it a cost-cutting measure to handle graphic design internally or even yourself, it could result in unattractive Facebook ads that struggle to engage your audience effectively. Furthermore, consider the concept of ad fatigue. When people repeatedly see the same ad, it can quickly become noise and just something that you scroll past. So to combat this, create various ad variations for your marketing campaign, utilizing different formats like single images, dynamic ads, and Facebook collections. Additionally, schedule each ad variation to be active on different days of the week. This diversity keeps your audience engaged and less likely to suffer from ad fatigue, ensuring that your ads remain fresh and captivating. So in the ever-evolving landscape of Facebook ads, design, messaging, and format, placement holds the key to capturing and retaining your audience's attention. When you get these elements right, your ads become a potent force capable of delivering remarkable return on ad spend. Keys to high conversion. Okay, so now that you have your killer ad all set up and ready to go, what's next? Well, there's a few secret ingredients that can transform a good ad into a money-making machine. Let's quickly cover them. 1. Analyze. The data-driven alchemy. The cornerstone of Facebook ads success lies in the treasure trove of data at your fingertips. You hold the keys to valuable insights that can transform your campaigns. Dive deep into your ad analytics like a seasoned detective investigating a complex case. Track key performance indicators, KPIs like click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per conversion. These metrics are your compass guiding you towards success. Identify what's working and what isn't. Track the ad creatives that capture your audience's imagination and the ones that fall flat. Pinpoint the demographics and interests that resonate most with your message. But it's important to note that analyzing your data isn't a one-time affair. It's an ongoing process that fine-tunes your strategies, ensuring that every dollar spent is a step closer to your ROI goals. 2. Retargeting. Reigniting the flame. Here's the truth. In the world of advertising, people rarely convert on the first encounter with an ad. The magic lies in the follow-up, and that's precisely where retargeting shines. Think of it as rekindling a spark with someone you've met before. Retargeting allows you to reconnect with those who have already engaged with your content or visited your website. By showing your ads to this warm audience, you're not starting from scratch, as they are already familiar with your brand. This could be the turning point that nudges them from consideration to conversion. It's like a reunion with an old friend where trust and rapport has already been established. 3. Budget optimization, a precise balancing act. It's important to realize that not all ads are created equally. Some shine brilliantly, generating exceptional results, while others may struggle to gain traction. Budget optimization is the process of managing your resources to get the most out of every penny. The key principle here is to keep a close watch on your ad campaigns. Your data is your compass. It guides you towards ads that are performing exceptionally well and those that are falling short of expectations. Ads that are delivering high return on ad spend are your star performers, and they deserve a substantial share of your budget. On the flip side, ads that are not living up to expectations can be a black hole to your resources. These ads might be underperforming for various reasons, from targeting issues to messaging that doesn't resonate. Budget optimization lies in recognizing when to take the next level up or whether to cut those underperformers. 4. Killing unprofitable ads. Now here comes the tough love in the world of Facebook ads. Killing unprofitable ads. It might sound harsh, but it's a necessary step for safeguarding your budget and maximizing your return on investment. When an ad consistently fails to convert and generate a positive return on investment, it's time to hang it up. The decision to pull the plug on an ad isn't easy, but it's a strategic one. The rationale is clear. Don't throw good money on bad investments. Instead, be ready to cut your losses and redirect your budget to more promising campaigns. By axing unprofitable ads, free up your resources that can be reinvested in high-performing campaigns. And this dynamic reallocation ensures that your budget is continually fine-tuned to achieve the best possible results. Creating high-converting Facebook ads is an art, a science, and a bit of magic all rolled into one. But with the right knowledge and strategies, you can achieve remarkable results. Remember, success in advertising doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of learning, testing, and refining. Stay committed, stay creative, and stay alert. Your audience is waiting to be moved, and your products are waiting to be discovered. If you're eager to see your Facebook ads deliver remarkable results, then it's time to connect with us at Spreadify Marketing. We offer tailored strategies, expert guidance, and a team of dedicated professionals who are as passionate about your success as you are.